Hedera's new AI agent platform, Explain. These questions and more news we will discuss in today's video. Welcome to Crypto Speaker. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So if you are interested in everything around Hbar, this is the place for you. Let's start with a unique and stable project, Hbar Staker. This is a completely new generation project of Hbar staking powered by hashgraph technology, due to which the profit is always stable and is 3% daily. The first thing I immediately noticed is the verified smart contract with custom security system, which means that the creator of the contract has no access to transactions that he did not make, and only you have access to your coins. The project launched a couple of days ago, and I decided to start with 30,000 Hbar. Taking into account all bonuses, including referral bonuses, I have already withdrawn about 1,200 Hbar. As for the withdrawal, the contract is called and the funds are instantly credited to your wallet. The project with a team of professionals is confidently moving forward and is not going to stop there. All links are in the description. Let's talk about price Hbar. As of March 27th, 2026, the total market cap is $3.88 billion with a change of minus 1.38% in the last 24 hours. The price of Hbar today is $0.0893. The 24-hour trading volume is $72.76 million. The circulating supply of Hbar is 43.30 billion with a maximum supply of 50.00 billion. Hbar ranks 23 by market cap. The highest price in the last 24 hours is $0.092116. The lowest price in the last 24 hours is $0.089279. Let's analyze the price of Hedera. Current market structure characterizes a clear downtrend. The recently formed lower highs, LH, and lower lows, LL pattern confirms bearish momentum. Price is trading below EMA 20, $0.09, and supertrend signal shows bearish resistance at the $0.10 level. In multi-time frame, MTF analysis, a total of 13 strong levels were detected on 1-day, 3-day, and 1-week time frames. 4 supports/2 resistances on 1 day, 2 supports/4 resistances on 3 days, 2 supports/3 resistances on 1 week. This distribution indicates that resistance weight on higher time frames gives a caution signal for altcoins. RSI at 42.84 is in the neutral bearish zone, and MACD, negative histogram, supports momentum decline. The overall structure points to trend continuation, but reversal potential should be monitored at critical supports. The market is consolidating around $0.09. With declining volume and low volatility, this emphasizes a consolidation phase awaiting a structural break. Downtrend risk, downtrend is dominant. Recent LH at $0.0961 was rejected, LL at $0.0899 confirmed. $0.0857, 63 over 100, and $0.0793, 64 over 100. Swing lows form sequential LLs. This structure awaits a 0.0899 break for bearish BOS. If the break occurs, 0.0551 target, score 22, comes into play. MACD bearish crossover and RSI dropping below 40 strengthen momentum. Resistance abundance on higher time frames, 3 days/1 week, increases downtrend continuation risk. Traders can evaluate short bias and leverage positions with Hbar futures analysis. What about Hedera news and catalysts? Hedera has released Hedera Agent Lab, a browser-based development platform that lets developers build on-chain AI agents using no-code, low-code, or full custom code workflows, all accessible from the Hedera Developer Portal. The platform is built on the open-source Hedera Agent Kit and supports LangChain and Vercel AI SDK as framework options, with Google ADK support planned for a future release. It is designed to reduce the setup friction developers typically face when connecting AI agents to a live blockchain network. What is Hedera Agent Lab and how does it work? Hedera describes the traditional process of building an AI agent capable of interacting with a blockchain as involving multiple friction points, environment configuration, boilerplate code, framework selection, and testing infrastructure. Agent Lab consolidates all of these steps into a single integrated workspace inside the developer portal. Once a developer completes the initial setup choices, they receive a working agent scaffold already loaded in an in-browser code editor, connected to the Hedera testnet and ready to execute. Coming features, policies, hooks, and stablecoin Studio Hedera has outlined 2 major additions planned for upcoming releases of Agent Lab. The first is integration with the Hedera Stablecoin Studio plugin, which will enable agents to perform token swaps, lending, borrowing, and stablecoin creation directly from within the platform. The second is a controls panel built on the AgentKit's policies and hooks system. This gives developers a no-code interface for setting hard behavioral limits on their agents. Examples include capping the maximum Hbar amount per transaction, restricting token interactions to an approved allow list requiring memos on all outgoing transactions, blocking the creation of tokens with unlimited supply. These controls operate at the code level, independently of the AI model itself. That distinction matters for developers building agents that need predictable, auditable behavior in production environments. Hedera Agent Lab provides 3 development modes, 2 execution options, multi-framework support, and a browser-based workspace that goes from configuration to a running chat-capable agent. Upcoming additions include behavioral controls through policies and hooks, and expanded DeFi functionality via Stablecoin Studio. Will Hbar see a 300% pump? We'll find out soon. Disclaimer: this video does not force you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. Let us know in the comments what you think about Hedera, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be the first to get the latest Hedera news. This has been Crypto Speaker. Thank you for your time.